Hi guys, today I want to show you this product. It's called Glazing. You can clean your windows with. It got few options, and then you got two microfiber cloths. I just wanna warn you guys, this is absolutely crap. This rubber should stay on, but it's moving. The glue, Chinese glue, is gone. Anyway, you're supposed to put two cloths on it, which is one like this, and another one. Put it on. Great. The cloth's wet. We can wet window for cleaning. Both sides. And then we can put this magnificent rubbish on. This supposed to be for double windows. Well, this should be the other way. But anyway, how you supposed to move this when it's falling down? That's how this works. So if you're happy to buy it, it's up to you. I don't. I'm sending back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can find it the other products also. Thanks.